So a lot of people don't believe me when I tell them that I got a very nice house for 25 lakh rupees within 5 kilometers of Noida airport. Let me break it down in this video for you how I got this and how you could also get that if you live in Delhi NCR or Uttar Pradesh. So there's something called Kisan Abadi plot. When the land gets acquired in EDA by the authority, they give farmers compensation and also a free plot. So initially the government gives them Naksha 11, which is also a pre-possession letter. So after a couple of years, then comes the allotment letter and then comes the possession letter. So 5 years ago, I bought this pre-possession letter, also Naksha 11, from this farmer for just 25,000 rupees a square meter, whose allotment letter came in 2023 and then whose possession letter came in 2025. So in 5 years, I have this very nice 1,000 square feet house. Of course, I have to do the construction. It's not a house, it's a land area. And I just got it for 25 lakh rupees, nothing more than that. You know, this is not even the best part. The best part is that a Kisan Abadi plot can also be used for commercial activities. So now I'm gonna do a 3-floor construction where the first floor I'll rent it out to a commercial center for much higher rent, and the 2 floors I'm gonna just keep it for myself and my family. So now coming back how you can do it today, since I did it 5 years ago. So this land acquisition is a very continuous process. More and more land gets acquired, more and more farmers are given the plots, and always some farmers will be looking to sell their Naksha 11 to the investors. Why are they looking to do it? Because they don't want to wait 3 to 5 years to get a plot. They need immediate money. So that's where you come in. You buy a pre-possession letter from a farmer, and then in few years you get allotment letter and then a possession letter, and your value immediately goes from 25,000 rupees a square meter to 75,000 rupees a square meter. Now you can do some construction there and you have a very nice house super close to Noida airport. So if you like my content, do follow me for more such real estate insights and advice in Delhi NCR.